Welcome to this presentation on the latest Microsoft Copilot updates in 2025. In this presentation, we'll cover what's new in Microsoft Copilot Studio 2025 updates. Microsoft is constantly adding new capabilities to Copilot Studio, and April 2025 was no exception. We've got new features that allow agents to use desktop apps like a human, support for more third-party tools, better analytics, and much more. If you're building AI agents or planning to start, this is a must-watch. One of the biggest updates is that agents can now use desktop apps and websites, just like humans do. Yes, you heard that right. This is in limited research preview right now. But imagine an AI that can open an app, click buttons, fill in forms, and get your work done without needing an API. As Microsoft says, if a person can use the app, the agent can too. This is a game changer, especially for tasks that are repetitive or don't have API support. This slide illustrates an AI agent interacting with desktop applications like a human. Next up, new graph connectors. These connectors allow Copilot Studio to pull in data from even more third-party tools. We're talking about apps like Guru, GitLab, Asana, 15.5, Miro, Trello, Zendesk, and Smartsheet. This means your agents can work across tools and apps, bringing everything together in one place. Super helpful for teams that use a mix of platforms. Another great update is about advanced approvals. Now, your agents can manage complex approval processes with multiple levels or conditions, just like how real business approvals work. So if you need a manager's approval first and then a finance team's okay, you can now automate that with your Copilot agent. For those of you working in industries with strict security needs, good news. Copilot Studio now supports customer-managed keys. This means your company can bring its own encryption keys to protect the data your agents are using. This gives more control and helps with meeting security and compliance requirements. Now let's talk about measuring success. Microsoft has integrated Viva Insights with Copilot Studio, so you can track things like how often agents are being used, how well they're resolving issues, and what impact they're having on your business. This makes it easier to show the value of the AI solutions you're building in real numbers. There's also a new focus on autonomous agents. These agents can now trigger actions on their own. And with the new analytics dashboard, you can see how many times they're triggered, how often they succeed, and more. This helps you fine-tune your agents and make them even smarter over time. So to wrap up, April 2025 was a powerful month for Copilot Studio. From agents using desktop apps to better approval workflows and enhanced security, Microsoft is pushing boundaries. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you.